In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect HugosWay to MT4. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard, you want to go to trading accounts and you want to create either a real or a demo account inside HugosWay to trade with, okay? And make sure you actually create one for MT4. When you do this, you'll receive your login credentials for their platform, for the MT4 platform, onto your email. And after that, you want to go to platforms up top, hover over Pro 4 and click on Windows, and this will download the installer for you. So the MT4 installer, click on it and it's gonna pop up like this. Just press next, and then here I have it installed already. So for me, it's just showing me a few different things, but for you, you'll be able to select where you want to install it and then click on basically next, and it's going to install onto your computer. Now once that happens, you'll be able to open it up, and this is how it's going to look like. So it's basically MetaTrader 4, and then just click on File, top left, click on Open an Account or Log in to Trade Account. So I'm going to do Login. And just like that, what you have to do here is basically put in your login number, which you received onto your email, and then your password as well as your server, which also is going to be either live or demo, depending on your account. Then you can either save the account info or not. That's up to you. Press login and you're good to go. You've successfully connected HugosWay to MT4. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.